Next is positive feedback control system. It is explained with diagram, that is thermoreceptor in hypothalamus. When motor nerve impulses goes to skin, then the sweating is decreased. If normal body temperature, there is no change in body temperature, it will remain same. Thermoreceptor in hypothalamus, when our body temperature increases, thermoreceptor in hypothalamus give motor nerve impulses to skin, then it becomes vasodilation of the nerves. It results in the increased sweating. When the temperature decreases, normal body temperature 37 degrees Celsius reaches. When the body temperature increases from the vasoconstrictor condition, then also normal body temperature 37 degrees Celsius reaches. It is basically representation of temperature regulation, negative feedback loops and positive feedback loops. If body temperature is too high, a negative feed loop back will act to bring it back down towards the set point or target value of 37 degree Celsius. Next is, what are the causes of cell injury? Cell injury are the stresses which induce morphological changes in the cell, from physical damage to genetic effect. Gene defects causes many metabolic diseases. It is two types, acquired and genetic causes like hypoxemia. Chemicals and drugs are also responsible, like chemical poisons, strong acids, pollutants, insecticide, pesticide, oxygen at high concentration. Injury, death, poisonous substances cause damage to the cells. Hypoxia की deficiency of oxygen carrying capacity of the blood, as seen in anemia or carbon monoxide poisoning, leads to hypoxia. Chemical agents, physical agents like mechanical trauma, thermal trauma, electricity, radiation, rapid changes in the body. Next is microbial agents such as bacteria, viruses, protozoa, metals, etc. affect the cells. Genetic causes like development defects. These are a group of abnormalities during fetal life. Cytogenic effects like chromosomal abnormalities are concerned abnormalities of chromosome. It may be numerical or it may be structural. Next is single gene effect. It is also known as Mendelian syndrome. It is due to mutation of a single gene. And disorder with multifactorial inheritance are concern of multiple genes in combination with lifestyle and environmental factors. Conditions caused by many contributing factors are called complex or multifactorial disorders. Next we will do in next video. Thank you.